What's up, everybody? Mr. Randall. Uh, this is gonna be probably one of the grossest things I've ever recorded, or possibly even said. But okay, if you've seen any of my past couple videos, I've been whining and complaining about having COVID. But man, I coughed. I felt something come up. I blew my nose, and the most amount of mucus that I've ever felt, like I straight felt it just leave my sinus cavity and come out. Like I could breathe so much freaking better. It's disgusting, but I just feel like I need to share. This is exactly what COVID looks like. That is what COVID looks like, my people. I know it's disgusting, but yeah, it ain't. Snot ain't supposed to look like that. You feel me?